Do you know that your intestine may contain food particles that you had eaten more than 1 year back? Faulty food habits, faulty lifestyle, and indigestion can cause the accumulation of food in your intestines. And this accumulated food can become toxins, which are responsible for many diseases in our system, such as skin problems and cancer. And it is highly important to detox your colon. Here are 4 easy ways to do it. Number 1 is Shankhprakshalan, an effective yogic kriya to clean the entire intestinal tract. Early in the morning on an empty stomach, drink warm, lightly salted water. Drink sip by sip and follow it with specific asanas like talasana, upward stretch, vakrasana, spinal twist, and mandukasana, abdominal compression. These twisting and compressing movements massage your abdomen and push the water through your system, flushing out toxins. Number 2 is fibrous food. People often ignore fiber, but it acts like a natural scrub brush, brushing away unwanted waste from the intestines and preventing constipation. Make sure you have a plate of fresh salad with your meals and dedicate 1 meal or snack time entirely to a full plate of fresh, seasonal fruits. Number 3 is lemon juice and proper hydration. Vitamin C is highly effective in cleansing the colon. Start your morning with a glass of warm water and fresh lemon. Throughout the day, remember to drink water, sip by sip, not gulping. Half an hour before your meals and 1 hour after. Number 4 is probiotics. Fresh curd is undoubtedly the best food for your gut health. The lactobacillus enzymes prevent flatulence and indigestion, ensuring proper absorption and elimination. Take charge of your gut, stay clean internally, have a positive energy with you, and stay healthy.